All right, so the first thing we want to do is to look at our harmonic scanner. The harmonic scanner makes work easy. Now, on this harmonic scanner, I can already see there's a pair here. That's NZDCHF. We're going to be looking at NZDCHF, and just a minute. Okay, we'll look at NZDCHF, and we're seeing on the R4, that's a 4-hour time frame. There's a pattern. So let me close this. So on the 4-hour time frame, there's a pattern. Okay, a pending pattern. So we have harmonic. So now we're going to go back and look at our chart. Let's check. Okay, what's this? Let's clear this out. Now, being an intraday trader, I don't really look at the 4 hours much, but the first thing I want to do is to look at what level the pair is. And if we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can already see this is a peak formation here. This is a peak formation, and then we had a level 1 rise. We're looking at the 4-hour right now. We have a level 1 rise and the level 2 rise. Let me mark that out. It got up to here. So now level 1, so now we're looking at level 2. So here's, of course, we are expecting a bullish that's a bullish move for this particular pair. But let's go down to the 1 hour, which we usually check. So let's look at the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have our peak formation here, equal lows. These are W pattern. This is second leg, and then we have our, of course, same thing. Our level 1. We're expecting for this particular pair level 2. So we're actually expecting a rise. Okay. Now, what the harmonic is showing us is probably just a retracement. Maybe there's going to be a retracement. Of course, you know, price doesn't move, just move straight. After it moves a while, after an impulsive move, there'll be retracement and all that. So the harmonic actually is showing us a possible trade setup for a retracement, that is sell. But let's look at this on our chart. We have level 1. We're expecting level 2. Okay, we're expecting level 2. Now, this is not the best kind of way to trade. I don't really like trade level 2. I like either level 1 or level 3. That's at peak formation. But we're going to see how this plays out, because definitely we're going to, let's see where the next. I want to look for an order block on 4-hour time frame. Okay, we have this here. So definitely we're going to be expecting price to maybe get up to this level, just about 18 pips away. So we'll watch out for that, and we'll see how that plays out. But anyways, let's go back to some other pairs we were looking at before, which is we looked at Gbpcad the last session we had, and we gave this projection which has played out beautifully. Let's take this out now. So definitely this pair is at peak formation already. Because we did our counts, it has many, it has just been, you know, level 1, level 2, level 3, and then it reset, continue level 1, level 2, level 3. So we're anticipating a drop. So now this is our peak formation. Call it the high of the week. The high of the week, and then we have our order block here. Order block we know is the last bearish or bullish candle before a major move. So that's our order block. So now what do we do? We're just expecting, I'm expecting price to trade up to this and retest this level for a sell. So you wait for the market to come to you, you don't rush. All right, so this is what this is going to be the Gbpcad, sorry, Gbpcad, Gbpcad sell model. We had level 3 big formation confirmation. We have our order block. Then let's see if we have any pattern on the harmonic scanner for this pay. That's another confirmation we look at. Card. Harmonic pattern. It was harmonic for this, for the sell. Okay, we have harmonic pattern. Okay, so that's checked. We have a harmonic pattern on this pair. These are my favorite setups when harmonic pattern plays along with peak formation. Harmonic pattern. Then okay, so these are the confirmations we have for this particular pair. So now we're going to wait for price to get to the optimum entry point, which is going to be, our optimum entry point is this zone. So we're waiting for price to get to this entry zone to take a sell. Now our first TP is going to be, our first TP point is going to be here. TP2 will be here. TP3 here. I'm expecting price to go further down. TP4 and of course TP5. Now what we're looking for every day is just a minimum of 50 pips. Now we're already done in the community. Already done. We did our 200 over 200 pips by Wednesday, so we're actually done for the week. But this is just educational purpose. So now TP1, if price gets here, let's assume price got, let's just take from 71. This is amazing. This is already 100 pips. That's the one beautiful thing about GBP pairs. This is 100 pips. This is 140. This is 190 and thereabout. So this is Gbpcad sell model. You just wait for it to get, for price to trade up to this zone. Get your sell confirmation entry, and then you sell the pair. Okay, so now for sell, you know when to sell. Well, first of all, let price get to the entry zone, and then you're going to see candlestick reversal pattern. Once you see candlestick reversal pattern, you sell. Now, price, this will be invalid if price, this setup is invalid if price breaks and closes above this zone. Okay, so this setup of invalid price breaks and then closes above this zone. So price just won't go up, but I'm expecting price to reverse here, and then that's for the next 3 levels, level drop, next cycle, price going to go down. So this is my expectation for Gbcad. So we're going to watch out for an entry. For those who want to trade it, you can get into the trade once that shows up. All right. Okay, so now let's look at another pair. Just one more pair and we'll be done for the session. Let's look at Nzdjpy. Okay. Nzdjpy, there was a sell yesterday. So this is done. This is done. Okay, Nzdjpy. Let's look at this pair. Now for this particular pair, I'm expecting a sell too. I'm expecting a sell. This is my order block. Okay. Nzdjpy, do we have harmonic pattern on it? Let's check it out. Nzdjpy, Nzdjpy, harmonic pattern. Okay, we have a pending deep crap on 5 minutes. Okay, on 15 minutes, do we have any? No. On 30 minutes, we don't have any. On 1 hour, we had this one which had already played out already, GP2, and then going for a possible reversal again. On the 4 hour, we don't have any. On the daily, we don't have any. On the weekly, we don't have any. And okay, so at least we have one on the 5 minutes is showing us a reversal pattern on this particular page. So we have one of our confirmation sets. This is the harmonic pattern. The next one we're going to look at, we want to pull our fib and get our optimal entry. Price is already there anyways. So we're just going to look now for a reversal pattern candle entry zone. Now I hope you guys can see how easy this thing is. Nothing complicated at all. Just follow the rules. We have the rules in the group. The trade methodology is there. The document is there. Just follow it. See, but at least you should have at least 3 confirmations for you to take a trade. You have to know what you're looking at. The first important thing I look at is the levels, and then I want to look at is there any harmonic pattern on this particular peg. So we have a peak formation high. We have a harmonic pattern. We have what else do we have? Yeah, we have our order block, bearish order block, and then okay, so as usual, our take profit target, we have our 0, we have our 25, we have our 62, and then finally we have this one and this one. Okay, so this is set up for NZD JPY sell model. Okay, so you can take this trade. Actually, your stop loss will be here. Your stop loss will be just, you're going to be risking just 19 pips, which is fair enough. So you can actually take this sell. Once this candle closes, I believe it's going to close bearish. Once it closes, you can take this sell, and then your TP1 is just like 25 pips away, TP2 is 37, TP3 is about 54 pips away. So NZJPY sell model. All right, if you have any questions, you can ask. That's it for this session. We're just looking at Gbcad and NZJPY. Okay. So, does anybody have any question? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? No question. All right. So that's it for today's session. We'll just look at these 2 trades and see how we can take advantage of it. Maybe get some pips and be out. Thank you very much.